If we were playing technical trivia and you were to ask me what is the most number one recommended feature for Windows 11, I don't think I ever would have guessed that it's moving the taskbar. I must be honest, I didn't even know that in Windows 11 you can't move the taskbar. I didn't even know that because I'm one of those Windows users that never, ever, ever, ever moves the taskbar from the bottom of the screen. But there are clearly many Windows 11 users out there that are very passionate about being able to move the taskbar, and Microsoft is finally bringing this to Windows 11. Let's take a look at it. First up, as you can see from the bottom right, or you might not be able to see, it's really tiny. I'm using a Windows 11 Pro Insider Preview, so that's why I'm able to see this feature here in mid-June of 2026. In order to move your taskbar, they fixed something that used to be in previous versions of Windows, and that must have driven Microsoft crazy. That was people moving it accidentally. So they would click and drag and accidentally move their taskbar, and then they were all freaked out and they would call Microsoft and say, "Oh, I have a virus. My taskbar is at the top of my screen." So Microsoft is going to make this foolproof now. You would go to the taskbar settings, and I suppose most people wouldn't even know to right click and get them from there. So they would go the traditional settings route. And in settings, you can go to personalization, and then you can go to taskbar, and your option to resize it is going, your option to move it, is going to show up under taskbar behaviors. And it's going to be real obvious, as we can see, and it shows you what it would look like in each of the positions you can move it to. I'll put it on the right because that's the only thing I could ever imagine doing, I suppose. I won't do it, but I guess I can envision it. And now you've got your taskbar on the right. Like I said, I'm just so traditional with this. I can't imagine doing anything but having it in its traditional location, which is, thank you very much, on the bottom of my screen. So I promised you I'd be showing you new features of Windows 11 that are worth taking a look at as they are released, and this was the number one requested Windows 11 feature, so it's great to see it finally arriving in Windows 11. I'll be back with more videos for you like this of the latest, greatest features of Microsoft's client operating system.